Welcome and thanks for coming back. We're going to do another What Sold style video, print ad edition once again because they have been selling pretty well for me. These are sales from the last week, 10 days, something like that since the last video. We're going to begin with this one from 1940 for Pullman rail car, sold for $30 plus shipping. You can tell up top it has Uncle Sam on there. It's basically talking about taking a vacation across the United States that year of 1940. Great sale to kick off this video. We go back to 1918 for this one for Chini Silks, sold for $12 plus shipping. A lot of these ads sold for $12, so I'm not going to repeat the price. You can see it right there in the screenshot. It's World War I era, as I mentioned up there. And you can see a woman being dressed there in front of a mirror. Nice one. Staying in 1918, same pricing. Minute tapioca pudding. Something you'll see a lot during the World War I and World War II era ads, the rationing conservation effort. And this one is definitely one of those type ads, so it's probably what helped it sell. But Minute tapioca. Also from 1918, there's a few of them in a row from 1918. This one is for Armour Oats, just basically oatmeal. Same pricing, World War I. Once again, speaking to that rationing during the war. 1918, Western Oil. This one talks about soon-to-be President Hoover. At the time, he wasn't President Hoover. He was the head of some sort of organization devoted, government organization devoted to keeping food safe for people, which is obviously a noble cause. Western Oil. 1918, this is for the Overland automobile, World War I era again. Nice image there. That one sold for $15 plus shipping. The thrift car. Top-notch value, rock bottom cost. All right, we head to post-World War I now, 1921, the beginning of the Roaring Twenties. This ad is for Sellers Cabinets. They make cabinets, kitchen cabinets. Beautiful looking ad right there. I took a best offer of $10 on that one. Up to 1924. This is for Heinz Kitchen, 57 varieties. Looks like a lady, I'm not sure if she's a maid. I think she is. But basically just cooking. It talks about all the different varieties that Heinz produces from back in the 20s. $12 plus shipping. Also in 1924, this ad is for Royal Baking Powder. It looks like we have some nice looking biscuits. Perfect biscuits every time. How to make them, $12 plus shipping. Into the Great Depression era, 1933. This is for a Magic Chef gas range / burner. This one also sold for $12. The company is American Stove. Up to 1938, this one, I took a best offer of $12 as well. And this one just talks about tea in general. I don't think there's an actual brand noted on this one. It's just speaking the virtues of tea and caffeine and how it peps you up. You can see there's a football player. There's all people from different walks of life. It's 1963 we go for this double page ad for Lincoln Continental. 2 pages as you see right there, $15. And we also have an airplane. And the image on the left side anyway, you can see it says Clean Classic Approach. And then rounding out this quickie video from 1967, an advertisement for Old Taylor Bourbon. And it has a picture of the distillery, it looks like. It almost looks like an old castle, doesn't it? But that one sold for $12. Quick, simple video. Just wanted to keep them coming, keep everybody motivated, get those print ads listed. If you have any questions, comments, please do leave them below. I'd be happy to take a look, and I respond to everything that's written. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Please do leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it out to your friends and family and colleagues. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, we'd be honored to have you on board. Just click that subscribe button and make sure to hit that bell notification icon so you're notified whenever I go live, whenever I do videos like this. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.